Easy money, guys. 680% profit in the last 4 days. Example here. Trades are sharing the private list. Let's focus on the last two. XRP. Very well known XRP. Shares traded the private list on 12. Yesterday, we bought this coin for 47 cents. Put essa hora up here, daily resistance 90 cents. Okay? Go to CoinMarketCap, XRP, and go right here. You see on 9, right here. On July 9 at 6 p.m., the volume of XRP was $322 million. On 11, the volume was 850 million. The volume spiked over 100%. That's where I focus here. Volume spike plus buyer power. Second example, exactly the same thing. AICoin. We made 250% in this single trade right here. Exactly the same strategy. Pay attention. AICoin. CoinMarketCap. Right here. On July 11, yesterday, the volume of this coin was 2,400 bucks. July 12, volume was 1,500 bucks. 1 hour after, volume pumped for $110,000. That's what I'm talking about. I made $25,000 in this single trade. So AI code, I shared this trade in the private list right here yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.00034. Put essa hora up here, daily resistance. Some members made 300%. I made 250%. That's what I'm talking about. I share all my trades in the private list because if you buy together, that means we increase the buyer power. Buyers must control the market. That's how. That's the secret sauce. Okay. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com if you'd like to get all those trades in real time. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin in the main cryptos, okay? You see right here, all those main cryptos are trending up, not because they are trending up, because they are follow Bitcoin. Don't fall in this trap. We buy before the pump and sell up high. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Bye.